I peed, you peed, everybody pee for Aerospeed. This is an Aerospeed box fan that I got from another collector. Yeah. This one's the cheaper model from years prior. It's kind of banged up, beat up, has the flimsy plastic blades that I've known these for before, and I can't grab one. Come here, damn it. See, look at this. It's very... The other one of these I have has more solid blades. This one does not. And it also has no handle. But that's besides the point. If you want to understand, this one's from 2015, although the camera would say otherwise. Focus, not on that. Maybe, I don't know, it says 15-6 on the motor. But anyway, we're going to do a quick demonstration because there's like 3 minutes left on this. So here's high, and yes, it's on the kilowatt meter. Now, I'll admit it ain't bad, but it ain't great either. It moves air, I'll give it that. It would keep you cool in the summer, or at least attempt to. But anyway, it's drawing 70 watts and 59 amps. Go to medium. It's a fan. Does moving air at 52 amps, 0.52 amps, and 58 watts. We'll go to low. Has kind of a neat motor whine. Otherwise, it's kind of, you know, whatever. 51 watts and 47.47 amps. Back to high, off. Trying to wrap this up quick. But there you go. There's an Aerospeed BX100. If you haven't seen one of these on my channel before, then I don't know where you've been at this whole time. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And have a good one.